Hi kids, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So let's go learn alphabet Z. Z for zebra. Y. Y for yak. X. X for X-ray. W. W for watermelon. V. V for fan. U. U for umbrella. T. T for tiger. S. S for sheep. R. R for rabbit. Q. Q for queen. P. P for panda. O. O for orange. N. N for nest. M. M for monkey. L. L for lion. K. K for kettle. L. L for tree. I for ice cream. H. H for house. G. for gorilla. F. F for fish. E. E for elephant. D. D for dog. T. T for crab. B. B for bear. A. A for apple.